friends, this is your Touchpoint official here. After a long day we are making a video about articles in Telegram channel and in my personal WhatsApp group. My friends were asking, bro, how to get free articles, and we are unable to write articles for each post and each blog. How do you get articles more than 100 and 300? How do you get that? I just said a simple way, bro. Just imagine what you're creating content, each and everything. Just go through that. We are creating a SEO blogger, creating a new template to our website means. Just how to create it, what features we need, what plugin we have to add in that. Just think about it and just type each and every one. It will get 500 words maximum. You can see here in my website I have created some topic over here, top 5 movie download websites link. You can see I wrote the maximum it will be 500 to 700 words. It will be maximum. You can see here top 5 websites in Google how to download movies. You can see here below. How do you get this information from Google? That is why they are asking. Just I said simple way. There is a secret website where you can get free articles. Just I will say, before going into this video, please make sure you are subscribed to our channel and follow us on Instagram Touchpoint official. If you have more doubts and queries, if you want to ask me, you can join my Telegram channel and group. Video link will be in description. You can download it. Watching this video, please make sure you follow us on Facebook page Touchpoint official and share this video as much as possible. Okay, let's get into this video. Okay guys, now just for AdSense approval you need maximum 500 to 700 maximum genuine article. It has to be genuine. No if your friend has been posted a same post and you're copying it, that article, and pasting it in your blogger and publishing it, means Google AdSense will level approval it. You can see here, you can go to Google Search Console. You can see over there some of your blog posts will be not been indexed in Google. Some of the posts will be indexed. Why? I will tell you that. If you copy and paste someone's blog and article from to your website, Google Search Console will scan in each and every word. It will match the each and every word. If the articles were same to maximum of 5 websites or 2 websites was same, means the post will be rejected and it will not be indexed. If you write genuine, means the article will be automatically within 5 minutes it will be indexed in Google. You can go through, you can see it from Google Search Console. Just go and check it up. Some of the blog posts will be not been indexed. You may ask why. That only I said no. First, don't copy paste the articles from another website. Try to write genuine. It will be no problem. If you have 300 words, means no problem. Google AdSense definitely will be upload. If you have 200 to 300 words, means you have to write maximum weekly 5 posts or 6 posts, because you have 300 text in your blog post for that only. If you write 700 words blog post article, means you don't need to write 3 to 6 articles for you for a week. Just you write 1 article blog post for a week. Okay guys, just get into this. To get free articles from Google, you have to go first Google and search articles factory. The link I will be given in the video description, or go through my website. You can get it over there. This is the first website. You can see article factory over here. This is the first copyright free articles from Google. This website is being accessed by USA or New Zealand. I don't know where they are accessing this website. I can show you, but this is a safe website. You can copy the each and every articles. For example, if you are a blogger, just type blogger. In search bar, I have typed blogger over here. I am clicking on search. After, you can see blogger related to each and every articles will be here. You can see build your blog, blogging tips, why do you want to be a blogger, everything. You can see if you go to this, how to create a own blog by using Blogger. I'm clicking on this, I'm going entering in this blog. You can see over here at below, you can see there are maximum 300 to 400 words. You can easily take this article and publish in your blogger. There will be no copyright restricted and it will that. But I can assure you that one more thing, what website you are publishing each and every post, Google will be scanned and indexed. I don't know if you publish these words in your blog post, Google AdSense will approve or not. I don't know really, because I didn't created any post like this. I will create a new website and I will try to do this copy paste and get AdSense approval. If I get AdSense approval means I will open a guest blog for each and every one who can post their post and get revenue by direct Paytm wallet. This is the first website. You can see how to get free articles. You can search anything. You can see there are more labels over here: health, business, finance, travels, technology, home repair, computer, marketing, A to Z. Just search the topic which you want the article. I needed blogger I searched. If you need a WordPress, just I'm searching WordPress. You can see there are everything over here. There will be maximum 700 words in this. You can easily get that article from here. There are no restrictions for you. And the second website you can see here, Zyro. This is the second website where you can get free articles. Zyro website is a paid website. You have to pay premium version. Then only they will unlock you for 1,000 words and 2,000 words. If you're getting into this website link, I will be given in the video description. You can go through that. How to get the articles? There will be more menus up here. There are no subcategory. When you go to features, they will not showing subcategory. First you go to all products. You can see here AI writer. You can see here AI writer. Click on it. Already I am in the air article only. First if you enter in this, just a second guys, just a second. First you are entering only, you can see like this menu, it will be opened over here. Just select the category which you want it. I am selecting music and entertainment. Just we will get more articles from music and entertainment, and I'm using a pop music artist. Just if I'm creating a top best pop artist in India, in Bangalore, in Karnataka, in China, Japan, everything, just try to divide it by state wise and country wise. Or what is meaning of pop music? What is pop music? Create a title like that. You can post the each. You can see music and entertainment. I selected the category of pop artists. You can see here there are given the free articles from here. Just don't copy this and paste into in your blog post. Please try to edit and write some genuine words in that. Then only you will get AdSense approval. This is the top 2 website where you get the free articles in Google, guys. For more videos, you can go to my website touchpointofficial.blogspot.com. The website link will be given in the video description. You can go through that. And I have uploaded some videos in YouTube, Touchpoint Official. You can go through that. Our CEO blogger templates and everything. And kindly I'm asking you, please help each and every creator by donating them. The creator button I will be given the video description. You can how much possible you can donate me. Just I'm a student over here. I'm just working hard just to save my family, and in this COVID pandemic I'm struggling. No jobs, no education. For that only you can donate me over there. I have kept a button over there. Thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe my channel and follow us on Instagram, Touchpoint Official. If you have more doubts and queries, go through my Telegram channel and group. A link will be given in the video description. You can join me in Telegram and you can ask your questions and queries. Thank you very much, guys.